Hey there, parents and concerned citizens. Today I'm diving into a shocking and heartbreaking scandal that's left over 30 students in Harare, Zimbabwe, in educational limbo. Buckle up, because this story is a roller coaster of mismanagement, accountability, and the futures of innocent kids hanging in the balance. Imagine this. You've paid your child's exam fees and they've been prepping for months, ready to tackle their ordinary level exams. Now, picture arriving at the exam center only to find out their registration was never processed. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Well, that's exactly what happened at Findale Secondary School. Parents at Findale are in an uproar after discovering that despite paying the necessary fees, the school failed to forward these payments to the Zimbabwe Schools Examination Council, or YeZIMSEC. This blunder meant that over 30 students were barred from sitting their exams, a devastating blow to their academic journeys. The parents are rightfully demanding answers. They've called for an exhaustive investigation into how this colossal error occurred, and they want those responsible to be held accountable. Can you imagine the heartbreak and anger these families must be feeling? This situation has exposed a critical flaw in the school's financial management and communication systems. The negligence here isn't just a minor hiccup. It's a catastrophic failure that's disrupted the lives and futures of these young students. But it's not just about the missed exams. The trust between parents, students, and the school administration has been seriously damaged. Restoring that trust will require more than just apologies. It needs concrete actions and reassurances that such an incident will never happen again. To add salt to the wound, the affected students now face the daunting uncertainty of their academic futures. Will they get another chance to sit for their exams, or are they looking at repeating an entire year? These are questions that urgently need answers. So, what happens next? The parents are calling for immediate support for their children, whether that means rescheduling exams or providing other forms of assistance to ensure they don't fall behind. And quite frankly, they deserve nothing less. This scandal at Findale Secondary School is a wake-up call for all educational institutions. It underscores the absolute necessity for transparency, accountability, and proper management in handling something as critical as exam registrations. The education and future of students should always be the top priority. As the investigation unfolds, I'll be keeping a close eye on the developments. The hope is that justice will be served and measures will be put in place to prevent such a disastrous oversight from ever happening again. All right, folks, that's all for today. If you found this information vital, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And let's stand with those parents and students in demanding the accountability and support they deserve. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.